Sponsored by HVAC Tools. Quality tools, essential support. TrueTechTools.com. Just wanted to do a bit of a quick video on the box that I use for my iConnect kit. It is a Boit box. It is the H20 model. Simply annotating the size. And what I've done is cut into the foam. It is not pick and pull like the one that I used for the testo probes. So I had to do my own cuts, and it's not beautiful. But I've got a box or a space for my iConnect to sit in. I've got my repeater probes vertical, my 921 manometer, my spare high pressure, low pressure refrigerant probes, my two air probes, supply and return. I've got a box that slides into a pocket here that has all of my straps in it, at least all the ones that I would typically use. My primary pressure probes, high pressure, low pressure for refrigerant. I've got the short hoses that come with the pressure probes. I've got my A3410Ts on the two hoses that I use most of the time. Those are made by Just Better Products, model A3410 or part number. I've got an extra set of the T fittings. I've got a couple of ball valve Schrader core removers. And then I've got another 911M air stick that is dedicated to measuring outdoor air temperature. So that's pretty much it. That's my box for the iConnect. Oh, and I almost forgot, I've got a couple of pressure air duct probes there, and then the hose that came with my 921M with the two little magnetic duct taps as well that lays in on top here. This bag has got an extra high pressure transducer, and that lays there in the middle, and then the hose lays on top, and when I close it up, everything gets locked in. It's a really solid box. When I bought it, it was cheaper than a comparable sized Pelican case, and so I went with it rather than a Pelican. So that's my iConnect box. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget that you can use coupon code RARVID at TrueTechTools.com to get $10 off your order of $10 or more, and it's a one-time usage code. We'll see you on the next video.